Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Sunset YouTube channel. Today is Sunday. Today is day 11 of 30 days post challenge. Today I have learned about present perfect continuous tense in English and today is special that is the first basic growth cycle 1 has come to the end. So that's why we got one to remark test on topics of projects. Projects means HTML, CSS, that stuff, web development, Python, Shell functions, and SQL mock test. And we had about introduction to data, course examination, instructions, framework study, what were the further steps, how to choose the track, and that stuff has been explained today. After completing this one, the growth cycle will open, and I will get the option to select the topic which one I want to go further in the course. There are basically 4 types: one full stack, Java full stack, quality testing, and data analyst. After clearing all exams, I will get to that form and the discussions will take place. It will be great, and by this weekend I will I will have the option to choose a track and write on it. That's grateful. Thank you for watching, and 2 months has been passed. 2.5 months roughly has covered the basic course. Every day taking around 6 to 8 hours of the course, and today is day 78 of the course. That means you can see 30 plus 30, 2 months plus extra time, just 2.5 months. Thank you for watching. I provided you some valuable information of my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel with your friends so that everyone knows my channel. Thank you for watching, and